Hello everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. Welcome! I'm so excited you're back, guys. I'm here today with a project share. If you guys don't remember, yesterday I did an unbagging with Beebeecraft items. So today's project share is brought to you by Beebeecraft. um, so Beebeecraft sent me some items for me to review. I got to choose the items that I wanted to review, and I show you that, guys, in yesterday's video, which I'm gonna link down below in case you missed it. Okay, so if you haven't watched it, it's going to be down in the description box below. Okay, so go check it out. And in that same video, I linked all the items that I ordered as well for you to buy them in case you want them. Okay, and I also linked the Beebeecraft website, which is www.beebeecraft.com. And so now that I told you what I'm doing, I'm going to proceed to show you my project share. Okay, guys, so this is going to be the earrings that came in the package. They have these shiny rhinestones or flat bags that you can glue onto the earring part, and they came out adorable. Can't wait to show you guys. It was super simple to put together. I'm a beginner DIYer when it comes to jewelry. Okay, I mean, I've done all sorts of DIYs but never done jewelry, so this is my first time, and I was super excited, but at the same time I was, I had a little bit of fear of the unknown, and I didn't want to fail because I wanted to show you guys too. So I was, I had a little fear, but it was really nothing difficult to do. So if I was able to do it, I know you can do it too at home. So let's not talk any longer and let's go to my other location where I'm going to show you what I did. Okay, guys, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Thank you. Okay, guys, I am back. So like I said yesterday, today is the day where I did my project chair, and this is from Beebeecraft, and the name of the product is Panda Hall Elite. This is what it came in this little plastic box here. Everything to make earrings. As you can see, some beautiful shiny earrings. Different colors of rhinestones or flat bags that I use some fast acting glue to glue that here, as you can see. Let me see right there. It's really, really pretty. You guys, they are beautiful. The ones on the top row are white. This here, this color. And some of them are in silver and the other ones are in gold. These ones are the same, these are blue. The other ones, these ones are green with gold. And these ones are like I think this is like a purplish color. And these ones are pink. Really pretty. The only color that I didn't use, I think it was this one. It's like a dark purple, I believe. And I still have more that I have to finish. All those ones you see up here. This is how they come, and just need to add some glue in here and add your flat bag or your rhinestone that comes in the little box, and your earring is done. So pretty easy, guys. I know I said that I have a little fear of the unknown, but it was super easy DIY and it came out beautiful. This is a perfect gift for someone in your family, for a friend, for yourself, for your mom, for your sister, for anybody in your family. This would make a beautiful gift. And since I am so excited because you guys are watching this video, if you're still with me, I am going to do a quick giveaway, guys. So this is going to be just open for one day. So today's Sunday. Tomorrow, Monday afternoon, let's say 6 p.m. Monday, it's going to close the giveaway. So just to give you enough time to watch this video, if you want to enter the giveaway to win any of these earrings that I have made, you need to comment down below, say hashtag Beebeecraft, and also tell me the color of the earring that you want to win. Or if you don't want to use the color, you can say hashtag Beebeecraft and you can number it. So let's say this one is 1, this one is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so if you like number 1, you say hashtag Beebeecraft 1, okay, and so on. And I'm gonna close this tomorrow at 6 p.m. and we're gonna draw the winner, and I'm gonna send you guys the earrings that you chose. So I'm gonna have more than one winner, and just go ahead and comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Beebeecraft, for all these beautiful products. I am in love with these earrings. They are shiny, they're pretty, they are luxurious, they look so cool. I can't wait to make some for myself and wear them. So guys, again, if you want to enter the giveaway, just comment down below hashtag Beebeecraft and the number of the earring that you want to win. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your love and support, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.